You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this chocolate in Italian. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but also confusing food names. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So in Italian this is said as Ferrero Rocher. Now the second word is French, and in French it is said as Rocher. It means rock. Ferrero Rocher in Italian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.